Ito po ang catch. He smokes a lot. Smokes 2 packs of cigarette a day. He drinks every night. He's always with his friends. Every day. Doesn't like going to school. In fact, nakikick out po siya palagi. That's why every year when I look at him, iba-iba ang uniform. Yan. Kasi nakikick out. Ano pa? He has a very, very super bad temper. He's a very violent man. Like, he had a lot of fist fights with not just men of his age, but really older people. Not only older people, but even with police and the military. So, ibig sabihin, wala siyang kinakatakutan. That's how really bad his temper was. That's why he was not just in and out of school, he was also in and out of jail. Okay? Kaya po kami may jail ministry. Favorite na lugar po niya yan dati. Okay? So, mga best friends na. You know, when you have somebody like that, parang ika-crush mo pa ba siya? Pogi, pero yun ang catch. But you know what? I was so in love with this guy. And I overlooked all of those things. Long story short, he courted me. Ganito sabi niya, feeling niya siya si Robin Padilla. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, pag hindi mo ako sinagot ngayon, hindi mo na ako makikita kahit kailan. Ako naman parang, gusto ko nakikita ko siya. Okay? And so, I said, okay, it's a yes. So wow, at 13, my boyfriend.